guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is Lovely of Lovely Budgets HK. For today's video, I'm going to unstop our holding wallet or binder to know how much left in our June budget. What's left will go to our saving challenges. So for miscellaneous, there's a we didn't spend it and there's a $50 left over here, and this money will go directly to our emergent B, which the saving challenges come from two sister B's. So each icon is $10, so we colored 5 icons. I'm just restarting this saving challenges again after I paid my property debt. So I already have a fully funded 5,000 last year, but now I'm restarting it. Hi, if you can see, this is a voiceover because the first part of this is I don't turn on my microphone, so as you can see, it's not as what it used to be. So please bear with me and continue watching this. I will make it pass forward so it will more easy. And the second part is already have a sounds, and I just notice it when I'm doing the second part. So as you can see here, I'm taking out our leftover from groceries and food and whatever category we have in that wallet. So what we have here is 500, 600, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So it's 670 left over plus the $50 that we have before for emergency B. And let's check our other envelopes to split this 500 into small dollar notes. Let's see where I can get it. Okay, so let me change this one first so it's more easily for me to split the bills. So the next challenge is my 2024 monthly saving challenge, which is from Live Budgets. So all of my $10 notes that left in my grocery and food after we go to the market or go shopping, groceries will goes to this binder. But I already complete this May challenge and I completed it without filming it and off cam. So as you can see, there's a lot of different color there that I completed off cam. So now it's complete, and for June, I already also put some $10 there and off cam as well. So let's save this all $10 here to see if we can complete the June monthly saving challenge, but I don't think that it will be completed. So let's just color it, and let's see. I just mark it down and I will color it off cam, so this video is gonna be that long. Hi, you know what happened? When I checked the video after marking this one, my microphone is off. So the first part of this before it's there's no sound, so I will voice over it. So this is done. At least it's just starting. Oh my goodness. It is. And next one that we're going to do is from Miss Judy. Hang on. I think I missed one. Yeah, I missed. So the next one is from Rox Budgets. I've been saving this one, I think, for a long time now, but I haven't finished it yet because I only do it once a month. And let's see how much I need to put in here. I think I want to put more. Let's put 100. So 120. So this 15, 30, 50, 60, 70, 80, 60, 70, 75, 80, 90, and 100. Okay. This for my daughter's graduation, my second daughter graduation. I hope I finish it before that graduation. So let me color this and I get back to you. So that's what I say, 100 for this one. I will go back if there's a chance. So yay, it's halfway done. I will not do it today. I will do it next time. So now it's for Miss Judy of Save with Judy. So this is from 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 45. Yes. Let's see. Let's do 40 then. 40 to finish this January, February, March, April, May, June. Yeah, to finish this June and some of July. This is a $5 per week or $25 per month. It's a low income saving challenge. So a smaller amount. So it's more easy to save. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 25, 30, 35, 40. So until here. Until here. Let's take blue. So let's put it here then. Here. So 40. And I need to go back from this one because I'm missing this. My son's graduation. So let's put, I think, it's $20 each icon. So let's put 60 here. 60. And color 3. 1, 2, 3. Maybe we can change this. And this one too. A little bit change. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Oops. Next one is from Tip Plans and Budget. So this one I want to finish May and June. So let's see. Each icon is $5. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So 50 here. That is the envelope. And I will color this one and get back to you. and red. So this the so this saving challenge is done. So what you're gonna do is to ring the bell, right? Where's my bell? Ding 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 ding. And I owe $1 too. Ding ding ding. So let's. Where's my ding 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 anyway? Oh, I forgot. So here I owe here $1. So let's get some IOU slip and grab my red pen. Where's my red pen? Pentel. So let's see. Alright, so this one then I will finish also. This is a roll the dice. Let me oops, put this one back. Roll the dice. I just use one-sided, six-sided dice. So it's 4. It's too dark. It's 4. It's 3. It's 2. 3 again. 2. 3. 5. Oh, 5. 2. 2. I don't know how much is going to save here. Let's see. Last dice 2. So let's calculate this. Calculate with me, right? So 4 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 5 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. 30. Isn't it? 6. Let's recount. 6 plus 5 plus 6 plus 5 plus 8. So 30. Yay! I saved 30 here. And one challenge done again. Ding, ding, ding. And why I always lost my red pen. So now plus so $2. Next. So this one I so far behind with this. And let's go here. So I will complete this side. Let's see how much it's going to be if I have enough money here. So 5 plus 11 plus 26 plus 30 plus 9 plus 21 plus 24 plus 7 plus 23 equals 156. Let's see. Oh, I still have 156. Give me 4. So I don't have 4. So I color this one so it will be completed. I color this too. What color I should use? Let's color it. I don't have much color, so let's color it light blue then. Where is it? Anyway, just color it yellow. So 4. Sorry, this is included. And then this whole batch. So let's put it in here and I'll color it and come back to you. Just hang on. So that's it. The next one, this from Christy Budgets. I'm so far behind with this one too. So basically I used to dice here, and then when it lands on the one with the red one, it means it's a public holiday in Hong Kong, so I will double it up. So just pray that I will not land on this one. Because maybe I will finish this money for this until for these 2 months. So let's start. This saving challenges is from Christy Budgets, and this one is saving 2024 in 2024 is from the Almost Organized Owl. Okay. So two. Two. So two. I finish here. So 1, 2. 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. So let's calculate. 2 plus 9 plus 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You see, it's not on the red, so it means I double it. It means 30 plus 30. 9. 1, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 25. Plus 25. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 31. So if you're looking for a low saving challenges, this is not a low saving challenges. So 97. So let's put 90. So let's put 100 then. And June not yet done. Oh my God. I think there's a change here. Okay, 97 is fine. 97. And as you, do you see that? There's an IOU slip here. You see it? Ah, my God. There's an IOU slip of $12. Let's take it out and pay $12. And I'll just put it back. I will not count it. I'll just grab and mark here how much we saved. 97, right? 97. Do I only have time to do this one? I don't think so. Let's, what 7 challenges next? Oh, that's it, right? And that's it. So let's finish if I can do. So 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. 8 plus how much we have? 40. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So plus 14. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 22. Plus 22. So 44. So I have 41 here. So I owe $3 more. So I owe $3 here. And let's grab another IOU slip. This also from Christy Budget. This IOU slip, I ordered it to her. I don't know if she gave me or I ordered anyway, but this is from Christy Budget. So I owe here $3. And let's put it here. So at least I only have one more week to finish it. So, did I finish any challenge on this on this one? Yes, I finished one. So let's ding. Let's roll the bang bang bang. So I need to write down another. So I owe here $3, and next time I will pay for that. I pay for that. So that's all our leftover been allocated. I hope you enjoy my video. Thank you so much for being here, and thank you for always for your continued support. And what can I say? I just say God bless you all for all your support and inspiration and your motivation, and for your friendship. That's it for now. See you later, lovelies. God bless you all. Be grateful always. Bye 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 bye. Love ya.